Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we'll make an edge lit LED panel with an aluminum frame. I turned the light off because it's really bright. As you see here, it's basically a sheet of acrylic in the front that's reversed engraved, and behind that is an MDF backing that I just painted red. So it's pretty straightforward design. Now, the nice thing about here in the shop is that whenever we make custom projects here, we're able to do them from start to finish. The nice thing about the aluminum, as you see here, the channel, is that the aluminum is actually a heatsink at the same time. LEDs do get warm, and having all of this as a heatsink really helps a lot for durability of not just the LED but the electronics inside of it. Now, there are a number of ways of making a panel like this. I find the most straightforward way to do it is actually just to use, again, extruded aluminum side rails, but have the LEDs come off on two edges, this one and this one here, and have them in a little bit different color. So this one here is a very bright white, and this one is a bright white with a little bit of yellowish into it. And what that does is adds a lot more extra depth to the final piece. Additionally, the MDF in the back, which you'll see cut in a few seconds, it's just regular MDF spray painted, and it's not a consistent red. As you see, there's a little bit of variance, and again, that just adds more detail to the finished piece. As for the level of detail, we get incredible detail on this. Take a look at this very close up and you can see what the laser has done on it. And the trick with this isn't actually to go very deep, although we do go about, I'd say 1/16 to 1/8, depending on what the project entails. What you want to do is just cause a little bit of an indent into the acrylic, and that's what the light really catches and refracts on. And that's what makes the whole thing just shine really brightly. One thing to keep in mind with this kind of work here is whenever you do edge lighting catches absolutely everything. So if you put your fingers all over this, guess what? It's going to light up on your sign. Whenever you handle this kind of work, even us here in the production room, we always wear rubber gloves. And the reason for that is the oils in your hand don't get picked up onto the acrylic and your fingerprints, because then you got to wash it off. And guess what you see when you wash it off? All the little scratches that you do will show up on the acrylic once it's edge lit. So if you're looking for a custom LED edge lit sign, contact us at CNCKing.com.